This is a little video tutorial on how to use the globalliquidators.net website. If you have received an email address and a password from us and you're set up, go to the user login button and you'll see a place down here to put your email address and your password, which I'm going to do right now. Click login. And you'll notice up in the upper right hand corner that I'm logged in as Frank Jones. This will say you're logged in as your company name. Once you've done that, if you just want to browse what we have, you can go to the blue bar where it says all products and just click all products. That'll bring everything we have up. You'll notice we're now on page 1 of 166. And you will see that there's about 15 items on a page. If you want to get more specific, you can go to, let's say for example, you want to find a ring of, a ruby ring for example. Let's just go to rings, which brings up all rings. And you can scroll down this left-hand bar to get very specific. And let's click ruby. And you'll see we now have all ruby rings up here. You can see that we're on page 1 of 6, so there's 6 different pages of ruby rings here. If you click on one, it'll bring the main page for that item up, and you can see everything about it. You can see that your cost is right here, $197.60. If you want to add it to cart, you can do that. And now you have created the first item in your cart. If you want to take it out, you can click over here and the remove button, it'll take that item out. Let's say that this is the only item you decide that you want. You can now go to checkout and you can choose your payment method. You can pay with a credit card if you like. If you click PayPal, we'll send you a PayPal money request. And if you already have terms or you're a COD customer, either way, you can click this button. And if you're a COD customer, we will get back to you with the amount of the transaction and you can pay us over the phone, however you want to do it. So let's just assume you already have terms. We're going to click that. Now it's going to come ask you where do you want it shipped, if the billing information is different, etc. If it's not, just click continue. And once you are to this point, you can then submit order. Now that you've submitted the order, the system is going to send you an email telling you that the order has been submitted. Otherwise, it's basically, that's a done deal. The order has been sent to us. We still have to pull the product and send it to you and get it ready. So it's not actually an order until we turn it into an order. So let's go back to search, or let's go back to the front page. We'll just click Global Liquidators. Now we're back to the front page where we were, and let's go and do another type of search where we just do all products. Everything that comes up is in, and we still have ruby selected, so let's go unselect ruby. So we're going to take that off. Now we have everything again. We're back to 166 pages of 15 items on a page. So let's go and let's do a little bit of a different kind of search where we go down here and do a price point search. Let's do items that we have at least 30 of, and let's just put a maximum of 1,000. And let's say that we want to price items anything less than $25. We'll click that button and see what comes up. It takes it a minute to think. So now we have 3 pages of 15 items on a page that we have at least 30 of that cost somewhere less than $25. So let's, for example, click on this item. And you can see if you click the little scrollable bar, you can see how many we actually have. And we actually have 33 of this. So you could, if you wanted to add 15 of these to your cart, you can add it to cart. Now you have 15 of them in the cart. You can check out, or you can continue shopping. Okay, so let's go back to continue shopping right there. So we're back here where we were. Let's go down to the area where we were with the price points and do the $25 or less. Let's do the minimum maximum again, 30 to 1,000, because that's going to get pretty much everything that we have in inventory. And so there we have that product again. You can scroll through here, you can go to the next page, you can see other products that we have at least 30 of but less than 1,000. And you can, let's say that you want this elephant, you're going to add it to cart. Let's say you want 5 of those. We're going to put 5 of those in, add to cart. Now we've got 15 of the little fish cross, and we've got 5 of the elephant, and we're going to check out. We're going to click I already have terms. The shipping address is good. We're going to say continue, and now we're going to submit the order, and the order is submitted. And again, the email address you have established with us will receive confirmation of this order, and we will ship it either the day we receive it or the day after we receive it is usually about how quickly we're able to do it. It's a very intuitive website, easy for you to operate. If you have any questions about it, we want you to call us. You can find our phone number under About Us. Please do. If there's anything that you'd like for us to change about the website to make it any easier for you to use, please do that. You can also steal our pictures and use them in your promotional efforts. Let's say, for example, you just want some pictures of some, let's say that you want some sapphire rings. Let's go in here and find sapphire rings. We'll just click sapphire down here at the bottom. Here's sapphire rings. Let's say you like the looks of this one. You want to use it in some promotional advertisement. We actually have all this product in stock, so you can use it and know that we'll be able to ship it to you if you should sell it. Then you go down here to click download photo, and there's an absolutely beautiful photograph that you can use, very high quality resolution, and you're welcome to use this any way that you see fit. Just right click, save image as, save it to your computer, use it any way you want to. So those are the highlights of what we do with globalliquidators.net. We hope you'll be able to utilize it. There's a lot of other ways that you can utilize it, by searching different ways, by metal content, by product category, by stone type, all different ways. So just feel free to use it any way that you can. We've spent a lot of money on this site, and we hope that it gets good use. The money will be well spent if you use it.